Alright, more stuff. Bag 1, bag 2. So, these are kind of oddball parts. Alright, so this here is a distributor top. And the other one's a horn. Alright, so this one's brand new. New old stock. Still in Cosmoline, which means it's probably military surplus. Which means World War II. In case you went around back then, that was a while ago. So here's a brand new 80-year-old part. It's kind of falling apart here, the packaging it was in. So it's onion paper. Easily, this one appears to be more of the cellophane paper. So this is probably repacked in 58, 59. They did a lot of repacking after the Korean War. Gave the military something to do, they repacked everything. So anyway, there's your distributor top. So you got your new post on there, and that's about it. It's CAD plated, not zinc. And so this is has the early point on it. So that means it's 46 and earlier, and it goes back to 37. So 37 to 46. Like I said, this is going to be a military version, so it'll be the 40s version. I'm not sure exactly what's different, if anything. Maybe they might have been parkerized on the earlier stuff, I don't know. Still might have been CAD plated, wouldn't surprise me. So anyway, this has Bakelite material around here that spins. Actually, these aren't Bakelite. These are Bakelite, kind of a black plastic material. This is phenolic material, which is kind of a wood-looking material, composite material. So that's easy what these grounding pieces are made out of. So these are insulators, so it won't short to ground when you got your point on there. Point actually pivots around like a finger like that, goes like that, pivots like this. So anyway, so this is a really nice item. I got brand new bases for these, so got new covers. What I don't have new is the strap, but I got pretty much everything else to put a brand new distributor together for another new military bike. So if you ever go look at my race bike, my military race bike, pops up in front of my videos, that is basically 95% brand new Harley parts I built that bike out of. And that's where you get the stuff from. You buy old stuff. Alright, so that's that. Pretty nice.